The Curtiss-Wright XP55 Ascender, an unconventional and distinctive aircraft, holds a unique place in aviation history due to its unorthodox design and its brief but intriguing operational history. Conceived during World War II, the XP55 was an experimental fighter aircraft developed by the Curtiss-Wright Corporation in response to a United States Army Air Forces (USAAF) requirement for a high-performance interceptor capable of exceptional speed and altitude performance. The XP55 Ascender story begins in the early 1940s when the USAAF recognized the need for advanced fighter aircraft to counter the rapidly evolving aerial threats. In particular, the USAAF sought a fighter capable of intercepting high-flying enemy bombers, such as the German Junkers Ju-86 and Heinkel He 111, which posed a significant threat to Allied forces. To fulfill this requirement, the USAAF issued a request for proposals, prompting several aircraft manufacturers to submit designs for evaluation. Among the contenders was the Curtiss-Wright Corporation, a prominent American aircraft manufacturer renowned for its contributions to aviation technology. Curtiss-Wright's design team, led by engineer George Page Jr., embarked on an ambitious endeavor to create a revolutionary aircraft that would push the boundaries of aeronautical engineering. The result of their efforts was the XP55 Ascender, a radical departure from conventional fighter aircraft of the era. The XP55 featured a highly unconventional configuration characterized by its forward-swept wings, a design element intended to improve maneuverability and stability at high speeds. This forward-swept wing layout, while innovative, was relatively untested in practical application and posed numerous technical challenges. However, Curtiss-Wright's engineers were undeterred, believing that the benefits of the design outweighed the risks. In addition to its forward-swept wings, the XP55 incorporated other advanced features, including a pusher propeller arrangement, which positioned the engine behind the cockpit and drove the aircraft forward via a rear-mounted propeller. This configuration offered several advantages, such as reduced drag and improved visibility for the pilot, but it also presented engineering complexities related to engine cooling and aerodynamic integration. Despite these challenges, Curtiss-Wright proceeded with the development of the XP55 Ascender, and in 1943, the prototype took to the skies for the first time, marking a significant milestone in aviation history. Initial flight tests revealed both promising performance characteristics and inherent design limitations. The forward-swept wings provided exceptional agility and stability at high speeds, validating Curtiss-Wright's design concept. However, the aircraft exhibited pronounced stall tendencies and control issues during low-speed flight, attributed to the unique aerodynamic properties of the forward-swept wing configuration. As testing progressed, engineers endeavored to address the XP55's handling deficiencies through various modifications and aerodynamic refinements. Despite their efforts, the aircraft's performance failed to meet the USAAF's expectations, and the project was ultimately cancelled after only 2 prototypes were built. The XP55 never saw active service during World War II, and its unconventional design relegated it to the annals of experimental aviation. Here are some details regarding the construction and features of the XP55 canard configuration. The most distinctive feature of the XP55 was its canard layout, where the elevator control surfaces were placed forward of the main wing. This configuration was intended to improve stability and control at high speeds. Wing design. The XP55 featured a swept-back wing positioned at the rear of the aircraft. The wing design was chosen to enhance the aircraft's speed and maneuverability. Fuselage construction. The fuselage of the XP55 was constructed using a combination of aluminum alloy and steel tubing. This structure was designed to be lightweight, yet durable. Power plant. The XP55 was powered by a single Allison V1795 liquid-cooled V12 engine, which was positioned behind the cockpit. This engine drove a contra-rotating propeller, which helped reduce the torque effect common in single-engine aircraft. Tail section. Instead of a traditional empennage with a vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizers, the XP55 had a twin-boom configuration with twin vertical stabilizers. This arrangement was chosen to provide adequate control and stability. Armament. The XP55 was equipped with 4 0.50 caliber Browning M2 machine guns mounted in the nose of the aircraft. The ammunition for these guns was stored in the forward part of the fuselage. Although the XP55 Ascender's operational career was short-lived, its legacy endures as a testament to the ingenuity and innovation of its creators. The aircraft's bold design challenged conventional wisdom and pushed the boundaries of aeronautical engineering, paving the way for future advancements in aircraft design and technology. Today, the XP55 remains a celebrated icon of experimental aviation, revered by aviation enthusiasts and historians alike for its pioneering spirit and distinctive design.